Trends are showing an edge to the Congress and NC alliance in the valley. So, what you would like to say, sir?
Well, I think the trends are coming in and they are on the expected lines, though we expect them to improve further. We have expected that the India Alliance is going to get thumping majority in these elections, and that's what it looks like. That is the direction that the trends are going in, because the people have voted in huge numbers this time in elections that were conducted to the assembly after 10 years. There was a lot of anger against BJP that has snatched the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, that has dismembered one of the most strategic and oldest states and turned it into two UTs. People have been angry, and now that they've got a chance to express themselves through democratic process, through the process of vote, it's on the expected lines that most of them have gone in the direction to give a clear message to BJP that whatever you've done is completely unacceptable, and we would ensure that we would not let you set foot in Jammu and Kashmir.
Exit polls as well as the early trends are showing that you're getting a big majority in Jammu and Kashmir. What are the preparations from Kashmir Congress when we are talking about problems, sir?
Let the numbers come fully. You will see there is going to be celebration, not only as far as the Congress is concerned, but the people of Jammu and Kashmir are going to celebrate, because this essentially would set them free. At least it's the first step towards that from the draconian rule of BJP, which has been undemocratically, thrusted upon the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Today marks the day one, or the step first towards getting people out of that. So it's not only about Congress, the people of Jammu and Kashmir by and large, you would see, would celebrate.
There's a buzz around the Jammu and Kashmir that you're getting the support of PDP. Farooq Abdullah Sahab also welcomed Mehbooba Mufti Sahab message. Sir, what's your strategy when we talk about National Conference as well as Congress about the alliance, probable alliance with the PDP?
See, we are of the opinion that all and everyone who stands against BJP and RSS's ideology of divisiveness, communalism, and majoritarianism, which is essentially, trying to do whatever it takes to do things for their own interest, not caring about the constitution and democracy. Those who have stood against them, those who have fought against them, all of them should come together.
Any number you would like to quote on ANI, sir?
I think it's only a matter of few hours. You'll get all the exact numbers. The trends are showing favorable direction as far as the India Alliance is concerned. I am hopeful that these numbers are only going to improve, and we would have more numbers than would have been predicted in exit polls.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस क्यूआर कोड को स्कैन करें।